Good morning, everyone. Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm just going to show you a very quick tea time treat or a snack, and that's our very own Anglo-Indian curry puffs. But I'm not going to use cooked mince today. I'm just going to use luncheon meat that I've seasoned, and I'm also using puff pastry squares to make things easier. So I'm not rolling out the dough or anything, I'm just using the ready-made puff pastry squares and seasoned luncheon meat. So it's quite an easy and a very quick recipe. I hope you enjoy watching it. Do like and share my channel if you like this video, and let's get started. So heat some oil in a pan and fry 2 chopped onions till they are light brown. Then you add in 2 chopped tomatoes and 2 green chillies, and you keep stir frying this till the tomatoes turn pulpy. Just keep stir frying for some time till the tomatoes soften. You can see that the tomatoes are turning soft. So what you can do at this stage, you could open a can of luncheon meat and empty it into a bowl, and just keep smashing the luncheon meat till you get with a fork till you get it like a mince. We just don't need it to be very lumpy. So that's the reason why we keep smashing it. Okay, so add it to the pan, and then you could mix well and keep frying and smashing at the same time. So you don't need to have too much of oil in the pan. You can see that it's a little bit of a dry mixture. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper or just pepper powder. So mix and stir fry. We're not adding any salt because the luncheon meat is already salty. So just keep frying for a few minutes, and then you can turn off the heat and keep it aside for some time. Once you feel that it's dry enough. So turn off the heat and allow it to cool. So now we'll start by making our puffs. You take 1 square of puff pastry, add 2 tablespoons of the mix to it, the filling. Then you turn over 1 corner to meet the other corner to form a triangle, and you press down firmly. If you like, you could dip your finger in some water and you could press it down, but I just pressed it down firmly and then use a fork to make imprints all over the edges. So this sort of helps to keep the edges together and to bind them. So we'll continue in the same way till we use up all the filling. And I made around 6 puffs. So what you should do is, once you've made all the puffs, lay them in a baking tray which is lined with parchment paper. You can see it's almost finished. Continue. These puff pastry squares are really convenient. You can do this very fast. There's no need to roll out the dough or anything. So we are almost done. So preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. centigrade I mean. And then I'm using just milk to brush the top of the puffs. But if you like, you could use beaten egg or just the yellow yolk of the egg to give it your color. I didn't like the egg taste, so I just used milk to brush the tops. And then we place it in the oven and bake at 180 degrees centigrade for around 12 minutes or till golden. And now our puffs are ready to be enjoyed. So if you like this video, do like and share it. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.